Hand saws are used to rip and cut through material. They are generally used for cutting timber into smaller pieces or lengths. The hand saw consists of a blade and a handle. The end, which is closest to the handle, is called the heel. The end that is farthest from the handle is called the toe. The bottom edge of the saw is called the front. The top edge of the saw is called the back. The sharp protrusion along the front of the saw used for cutting are called teeth. Here are some of the basic types of hand saws commonly used in carpentry. Rip saw, crosscut saw, panel saw, tenon saw, fret saw, keyhole saw.